Oh, say something. Yeah, you say something.
Let's start to reheat the food now, mga beautiful friend. Which food we gonna reheat?
This chicken, I don't know. I just bring it if you like. I cooked yesterday. Yeah.
Okay. This one no need to.
No, you crazy. No, reheat. You're funny. She wanna reheat the prawn. She crazy. Do you have something to put the shelf? What do you want? Sorry guys, I'm on my jammies.
Pasig loob, pasig dyan sa loob.
I think it needs more than that.
Big.
Yeah.
I just chuck it when it's full.
Huh?
Hello. I'll try if it's working. Hello mga beautiful people! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Australiana Bisaya. Today's video, may special tayong Bisaya, mga Besties. Hi, Dad! Oh, ang ganda mo!
So where's Ima? Huh? Ima is not.
No, it's not coming, Dad.
Working.
Cherry berry and cherry berry. Hanlaya and me. So we're having our lunch. Okay, lunch, no dinner. Let's try the new lights.
I know that's what
It's very clear now. Look. See, you can see my nose light. Charot.
Sino kayo na?
It's really shine like a diamond. Shine like. Okay.
I like that one. I like the silver. I can pick the silver one.
Let's see.
I saw your old the yellow collection. What was that? What's that? Where'd you get the buongon? Where'd you get the buongon?
Yeah, last time.
Straight?
We're gonna try it a little.
So what you get done today? So how was Brazilian?
Turn this up.
Yeah.
It is like people. We're having our dinner. So look what we have here. Chicken, sorry. KFC and prawn and yay. So kainan, let's eat.
Wait for the.
Kain tayo.
Oh, look at that.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
I can use it. Why would I buy it if I'm using it?
Yeah. You have to use it.
Guys, I have my Goshin Dai.
Not Gucci now.
Dai, I have my
Expensive Gucci.
I have my coat. Oh no, thank you. Early Christmas present. Thank you, Dai.
From here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, better.
So we're gonna eat first now. Come and eat with us. Wow. KFC, chicken, pancit, prawn. So let's dig in. So hello, we're done. Tapos na kaming kumain ng aming dinner. Thank you, beautiful besties, for the yummy dinner. No, my face is really. Foxy is not happy. Why? Why? You can go there. Boo. Yep. If unexpected or unplanned That's the good one, hey. Matutuloy if like on the
Yeah,
spot,
see?
then we're planning it for how many
Suppose we just meet up at the step.
week before like that. So later, Mama.
I passed
Is the robot. And we need to put the how many batteries in there? Without robot.
Still.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8 batteries. And this is the remote. Smart man. Usa-usa dia guys. Ano din siya maglibog kung asa insakto din. Shono robot. With 3 wheels. I thought it a massage one. Beautiful people. And the remote control.
How can we do that stuff?
Eh? It's not working. They're working. Long legs.
Ultra Advanced Robotic Power from WowWee Robotics. Watch this. I have the most cutting-edge locomotion known to science. Don't you think I make a great ice skater? I get a little excited sometimes. I can play
Come on,
games
Tom.
or charge your room from your brother or sister or dog or mom or dad or even your cat. You can drive me around or I can explore all by myself. Want to feel a secret?
Oi! Oi! Scared with the robot. Oi!
I get a little excited sometimes.
So you can make him.
Taxi!
Yay! I get to roll free.
What's his name?
Free.
Hey!
Foxy.
Get him out of
I
here.
don't know what that is. That's a disaster. Your floor has suddenly become a wall.
Darling, he's scared. Ah,
Yeah.
shut up, Foxy.
Don't worry. I won't tell anyone about that. You've got the coolest collection over there.
Oi, Foxy, it's okay. Oi! He's scared with the robot.
You see how the wheels are special? They
Yes.
go in every direction.
Foxy!
Just my remote, and I'll follow. Your tilt is my command. Wherever you tilt, I go. I see.
See?
Is that? That looks good. Oh no, I'm gonna need new batteries soon.
Batteries are flat already. There's batteries.
It's under the table, darling. Foxy, shut up. Wait, it's okay, that's only a robot. Wait.
Oi!
It's you for him.